اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
Arno, take care of it.
Let's go. Looks like something you could use, no? With your crossbow magic.
Let me see that. It should hold. All right, let go.
Let's go.
No!
You bet I will. What the hell? There's something sticky on the ground.
It's only blood. The remains of their prey. And something they secrete, I think.
Don't worry, it's not dangerous.
Are you joking? I'm burning these boots.
Come on, you're almost there.
Bloody rotten crap. I'm here.
Yes! Feeling alive?
I've been in 100 battles. Looked death in the eye about as many times. But these little turds, they make me feel like a fresh recruit.
Now you're trained.
You're the patron saint of optimism. So, do you have any tricks left to keep us going?
No. I don't see anything to shoot at, and I have nothing that would last long enough.
No, we're getting out of here. Wait! I know! Shoot one of your flaming bolts at my shield.
What? But it will burn!
Does it look like it cares?
All right. I'll do it.
I felt that. Good. But when you're ready, quick, please.
Let's go!
Oh, we're doing this. Mark my words. Out of the way!
Yes! Shoo!
Look at the cowards crawling back to their holes. That's it. Fall back before the might of the wall.
See? You're getting used to them.
Yes! They're scared of you now.
Bloody hell. My arm feels like it's aflame, though.
But you're the wall.
And this wall has taken enough blows, Shorty. My body is as battered as my shield.
Ooh!
That's war for you.
We're nearly there. Hold on a bit longer.
Oh, I'll hold. That's what I do. All right, enough.
Did you get burned?
I wouldn't say that. Just a good sweat. Let's keep going.
Let's see what can be done.
Oh! Is it the big wreck?
It is. We're almost there. Her hideout is on the other side of that boat.
Her?
Yes, Sophia, the sea scorpion. She's the leader.
She sounds scary.
Less scary than those damn biters.
We'll see when we meet her. Come on, one last effort. So, these smugglers, how many are there?
A bunch. Scum she gathered from all around the Mediterranean Sea. Sophia's their lighthouse in the dark. They see her as a saint.
Is she? A saint?
Oh, no.
It's a big boat.
Hey! You found any tracks?
Shh.
Nothing! You're sure there's still people there with those rats?
Stay low.
Soldiers.
Look around you! This place is a bloody maze! Listen! If we bring back one or two dead smugglers, the count will decorate us!
Yes, soldiers. I'll get rid of them.
No, I'll do it.
Still don't trust me, eh? Go on then. I'm watching.
Stay right there, you hear? Intruders here!
You got my back.
Oh, it's a big boat.
Hey! You found any tracks?
Shh.
Nothing! You're sure there's still people here with those rats?
Stay low.
Soldiers.
Look around you! This place is a bloody maze! Listen! If we bring back one or two dead smugglers, the count will decorate us!
Yes, soldiers. I'll get rid of them.
No, I'll do it.
Still don't trust me, eh? Go on then. I'm watching.
What was that? I'm losing my mind.
Go find another dinner, vermin! Try as hard as you want, you won't get me. How'd you get so vicious?
Pretty sure. You could do better, though.
You're vicious, all right, but not enough to get me. There! Don't let him get away!
They're coming!
Triggers, catch them now!
They saw us!
Up! Quick!
Understood.
They're on a smuggler hunt, despite the rats.
Told you. The Count is on a mission to clean Provence.
It's madness.
poisonous stingers, also known as a sea scorpion, so...
Oh.
Pretty sure she can sting too.
Please have something useful. Get up, now!
Sure.
We're on the other side of the wrecks. Where now?
That torch, down there by the wreck. It's there.
Good.
I hope Sophia's still there.
What? Why wouldn't she be?
Oh, she's pretty unpredictable.
No, no, no. She has to be. Stick close! The effects will end soon! We're on the other side of the wrecks. Where now?
That torch, down there by the wreck. It's there.
Good.
I hope Sophia's still there.
What? Why wouldn't she be?
Oh, she's pretty unpredictable.
No, no, no. She has to. Jump down! Go!
Undo.
Yes, we're here.
I'm scared she's a scorpion.
Oh, come on, it'll be fine. Through here?
Yes, a discreet way for discreet people.
Water.
The hideout is just at the end.
No, no. I'm scared of the waves.
Oh, come on. It's just seawater. Look.
She's right.
But
Hugo,
it's
please.
deep.
I'm tired. Just think of your island.
But there are waves.
We're almost there. Can't you argue later?
Don't you start too. I'll take your
Enough.
scared.
I'll carry you all the way and that's it.
All right.
Good. There you go.
Lord.
Is that high enough for you? Look, you're not even touching the water.
Yes.
Well, every day can't be easy when you're that small.
Depends on the day.
Are you still scared?
No.
Now you know why they call me the Wall.
Because you're like a fort?
Exactly. Nothing gets past me.
And your shield looks like a wall too.
How's it going back there?
It's all fine. Now that he's calmed down. Well, thank you, Arno.
Yes. Thank you.
Time to meet the sea scorpion. I know you like to lead, but I'd better pass first.
Well, be my guest.
It's me, goddammit.
Let him pass.
Oh no. Even those rot-eating rats didn't want you.
I've had help.
Look at that. I like the new crew.
This is Amicia and Hugo. The small one has potential. The big sister still needs to be tamed.
Try that.
You see?
I see you left your mark on her already. Don't be ashamed, sweetheart. It suits you. What do you want?
Your boat. We need to go to Lacuna. No questions asked.
We're done, Arno. The Count's army is on our back. And thousands of rats are shitting on my doorstep. This place is over. I'm disbanding the crew.
Then, come alone. Sophia, you owe me.
All right, then. The call of the sea it is. I need some time off. Who cares? One thing, though.
Go on.
If you ever hurt her in front of me, I'll kill you.
Deal.
By the way, the Count's men put my boat in dry dock.
Oh, the call of the sea, huh?
That part is so true. I need a word with my crew. Go ahead to the village. My boat is there. I'll join you.
Sure. Let's go.
So, it's that time of year when you quit everything.
I'm afraid it's for good this time.
Sure. We'll play jacks and wait for you to come back, as always.
Oh, it's raining a lot.
Yes. Must be a heat storm. You see the light? It's the lighthouse from the fisherman's village. Sophia's boat is there.
Are we really going to sail in this weather?
Hey, who are you?
Damn,
Get over here!
Stay here.
what are you doing?
Hey! Stop!
Now you've done it. There's another one coming.
So what? I'll take care of him. Say the word. Command and I'll execute.
Lord. Otto, go after this one.
It's what I do.
I can see that. He's all yours, Arno.
Ready to fight!
Wait.
Intruders here! Come with me!
Sorry. Losing was not an option.
Arno, take care of him.
Come here!
On my way. They know her.
Of course. She's been a thorn in their side for years now.
Because she stings.
Huh?
Something moved.
Wouldn't that? Wasting my time. Who's there? With me! Intruders!
What do we do, Amicia?
He's all yours, Arno.
I'll be quick!
Are you all right?
I think I'll live. I need help! I was meant.
Let's see what's inside.
We got intruders! Follow me!
Arno, take care of him.
Wait. What's that?
Arno, go after this one.
Over here! Found some trespassers! Where's your friend now?
Arno, take care of him.
Stop right there!
Climb up.
Yes.
This place is getting worse than Guyenne.
We're making good progress. How's the head?
Fine.
I like your new hair.
Thank me.
Oh, please.
Oh, the rain is getting worse.
It's just a storm.
Let's hope it calms down before we get to that boat.
Let's hope we get to it in the first place.
Just a boat. It's called Le Rascasse. That fish is bad luck. Everything's bad luck with you. Come on, keep it rolling. I need your help. There are trespassers. There are intruders in the area. Stay alive, you Lord! Why is he lying there?
All right, get up. Get up!
Arno, go after this one.
Let's fight! I'll be quick!
Arno, take care of him.
Always ready for a battle! It's you and me! Sorry, losing was not an option.
He's all yours, Arno.
I'll be quick! I was meant to win!
This close.
Still.
Arno, take care of him.
Let's fight! Hey. Come here!
Let's kill the bastards!
You've lost!
Intruder!
He's all yours, Arno.
It's you and me! Let's see how well you fight alone.
Drop down.
Understood.
Looks safe.
Yes, it'll do.
It's there! Amicia, can we go see it even without Sophia?
I don't know, Hugo.
I can take him. Get some rest. It will be fine. We'll be just there.
Set the rats on him if he's not nice.
Yes!
Don't be so happy when she says things like that.
Open up. Open up.
Gotcha! You got nowhere to run! And the Count doesn't need you along!
Are you alright?
No. We just met, and I already owe you.
You don't owe me anything.
You don't make the rules.
Fine, we can be friends if that helps.
Let's try. But you'll end up wanting to kill me too. Caught your breath yet? Ready to go?
So, that's the Raskas, right?
The one and only. I hope they didn't ruin it.
Arno, where's Hugo?
I'm here! It's amazing!
What are you doing outside? Get in the cabin, you're soaked.
Yes! To the cabin!
So, how do we get this thing into the water?
Go and lift the anchor with Amicia while I check the route to Lacuna. It's the crank at the prow.
Leave it to me.
Yes.
It's not light!
It's an anchor. It's made to anchor.
It's stuck!
Sophia! I think they've blocked the anchor!
Oh, bastards. Go to that pontoon with the crank. It controls the chain.
Bloody rats. Can you do something about them?
I'll look.
Did they break the bar?
It's a bit skewed. These louts must have pulled it on sand.
Sorry.
It's seen worse. This boat's the survivor.
are you holding up?
Great! This boat is great! That cabin is great too! Look at all the things!
We'll look when we've left.
Alicia, you can keep these rats occupied now? I mean, it's what you do.
Sophia doesn't seem to like you much.
It changes with the wind, but she owes me either way.
What for?
For not killing her when I was ordered to.
I see.
Yeah. You got my back. That chain is blocking the anchor.
Come on! Your turn, Arno.
Fine for me. We're almost there. Your brother will soon see Lacuna.
I hope he will. Boots ready.
Break that thing.
Yes.
Good shot.
Safe to go. Stop now.
All right. Counterweight with the lock.
I can break it then. Arno, I need a hand.
That's my job. Clean shot.
Let's pull this anchor up and set sail. He likes you, so you should know. Hugo's dying.
What?
His blood is poisoned. If there's a remedy, it's on that island.
Then let's make sure he gets there.
Oh, he will.
Alicia, are we leaving?
Hey, what did I say? Go back inside the cabin.
Yes, Captain.
Let's finish with this anchor.
Now hoist the mainsail together on the upper deck.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Let's get up there.
We're so close.
What are you doing?
Trying to fix what those bastards, bad men, did.
I think they're bastards too.
Shh, that's a bad word. Accurate, but bad. Got it?
Yes, Captain.
I'll take port side.
Right. I'll take the other one.
When you're ready.
All right, go! Yes, we're doing it! We're leaving this place! Right! The sail is not deploying on my side!
Well, it should.
Sophia, come! What now?
Crap! Those assholes tied up my sail?
Then let's untie it.
We don't have time to go up there. I could try to cut it.
Yes! Get on the starboard pontoon. You'll get a better angle.
Just don't damage the sail.
Nothing. Get ready. We're leaving for Lacuna.
Lacuna? We're really going to Lacuna? You can do it, Amicia!
Please don't hurt my bones.
She'll do it. She's good.
A lock.
Amicia, quick! Amicia, we're sailing! We're on the sea! For real! Woohoo! I'm a pirate!
Hey, where are you going, sailor? You all have a death wish in this family or what? It's all right. I've got you.
The sea's so quiet. Nothing but the horizon. Enjoy. Wow, she certainly has some real treasure down here. Books. Pretty rare. Ah yes, that's Arno's. Can't believe I heard him snore through the storm. She must have travelled a lot to get all these. And now she'll probably sell them illegally.
So, it survived the fire?
Yes, it would take more than that. It survived Spain, Burgundy, Guyenne. Well, barely that time.
That's where it broke?
Yes. The only time it failed to protect.
You?
No. Someone I shared my coat of arms with.
Oh. I see. It's a sad memory to keep then.
Some memories don't want to be let go of, child.
I think I know what you mean.
Hey, you two! The sail's pulling port side. I need a hand.
Go pull the rope on the other side. I'll give you some slack on mine.
Understood. Got it.
I just love this.
It's good on my side. Arno?
Me too.
Well done.
Animals. Maybe from Africa? Looks like Hugo played with them. Hope he didn't break anything. Hey. It must be great to pilot this thing.
It's worth all the other troubles. Come on, take it.
Oh,
Go on. You won't crash into anything. So?
it's amazing.
It's the sea you feel. It's freedom.
Thank you for taking us.
Thank Arno. I'm usually not so kind.
Oh,
He's a bastard, I know. He has reasons to be. Deep scars. Not that it excuses...
Amicia! Amicia!
oh, duty calls. I'm sorry.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Amicia, come! Look! There's something there! That's it! Lacuna! It's exactly like in my dreams. Thank you.
Whatever's there, we'll find it together. Island explorers.
Yes! You know, it's not important if I die.
What? What are you talking about?
The Magister Vaudin told me I'm going to die.
God, no, Hugo, I'm so sorry. It won't happen.
Don't be sad. I'm happy to be here. This boat is the best, and I like Sophia. And Arno, even if you don't like him.
Sorry. Just wanted to say, we'll be preparing to make land soon. I'll need your help. Just come see me when you're ready.
Yes, sure. I'm happy to be here with you.